Welcome to NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we're in Altamaha Regional Park in Georgia, near Brunswick, Georgia. And so what you see behind me is not the campground, but an old railway bridge that used to go across here. But yeah, we are at site number one, a riverfront premium site. $34 a night. I think the other ones are $30 a night. Roughly, I want to say 20-ish sites here. We're on a Monday night, so not a lot going on, but we hear on the weekends the spot is quite popular. More than 500 people showed up apparently last weekend. Overall, it is rustic. One bathhouse, full hookup, so water, electricity, sewer, and I think even cable. Which all we don't need today because we're all filled up from our last site. Yeah, not much to say. There's a nice stuff over. Obviously, if you have a boat, you can go fishing. And one thing we noticed, the locals are super nice. We met one gentleman who I forgot to ask the name. He's a local firefighter and was admiring the truck. He just came back from fishing and he caught a nice size catfish, and he gave us a couple of pieces, good ones for tonight to cook dinner, so that was super nice. And he encouraged us to stay in the area and explore that part of Georgia a little bit more of it. We're going to move on 1 hour north of here tomorrow again, because we want to get some distance in, because we're on our way home back to Pennsylvania. But yeah, pretty much that's it, all there is to say. We didn't find this site on iOverlander. I might post it though. Or at the usual apps, but we did find it through Google, so that was pretty good because a lot of things were booked out in the area, as a lot of snowbirds are still in Florida and Georgia. So I hope you liked this completely biased campsite review. Click like if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, follow us on our travels in the US and eventually across the world.